Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm just going to lather up and got a couple of interesting things from England this week. I went on an auction room in England last week and watching quite a few auctions over the last fortnight, and they're mostly crap, mostly rubbish. But occasionally you get some really nice gems like these two I picked that arrived on Friday of last week, covered in soap. So we've got a Puma. This is the modern version of the Solingen blade. Serial number there, and I must say they're not as dainty as the vintage Pumas. They used to come in a really nice oval shaped wooden box. However, this is a modern day version. It's got the original wrapper. You can see the stamp here from the manufacturers. So pop that down there. It's nice when things come in the original packaging. So here we have a very nice example of a Puma. Solingen, obviously, Germany. There's the Puma logo. It's got the original Tang protector. As you can see, the other side's quite clean. I've just honed this blade. I've not done anything to it. Not had to clean it. I think it's been pre-honed. I think somebody's had a shave of it already. And it came together with a brand new strop. Here we have a really nice example of a Puma strop. It's got the original case, and put that down there. This is the original wrapping paper. I'll just lift this off. One side is pasted with chrome oxide, the green stuff. There you see. And the other side is just plain. And there's the Puma logo. And the great thing about these strops is it's got a tensioning mechanism. Probably see in here, and you just unscrew or tighten the handle, and it affects the flexibility or stiffness of the strop. So, very clean, new. This has not been used. It's completely unused condition. There we go. This came from Lancashire, I think. Anyhow, so shave test. I'll just refresh this soap. I haven't had to do a great deal on this razor. Yeah, that's perfect. Very smooth shaver as well. As you probably noticed, I've not had a shave for about a week, well, more than a week. So it's a good test for this lovely razor. I must say I do like blades with these gold etching on them. I think it really makes a razor stand out from the rest. My first razor that I ever bought was a Philharmonica. I bought it from Spain whilst on holiday there, and that used to have gold etching. However, it's worn off now over the last 40 years. So I think that makes a really nice set. The fact that the strop is made by the same maker as the razor, it makes a lovely set. I was going to sell them separately, but as they came together, I think I'll sell them together. Having said that, this is a really smooth razor. So I think if it doesn't sell within a couple of months, it might just be a keeper, you know. It's great for sculpting around your tash. Very delicate blade this, these big blades are very impressive, but sometimes when you do some delicate shaving around the tash and goatee, you don't need a overly sized blade, you need something more manageable. The old tash out of the way here. we don't want to be losing any whiskies. I got this side last week. I must have been going down with it on this side and I caught the back end of the blade on the and whipped it off. It'll grow back. I'll just touch up the edge of the tash here. There's a nice straight edge-ish. There we go. Nice and neat. So there we go, that's that shave test over. Let's tidy up that. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Just give this blade a wipe. So, if you want to invest in a nice Solingen razor from Puma, really well respected maker. It's a nice design, 3-pin design, so it's quite sturdy. There's a nice pin in there. There's just a little bit of a blemish. I don't know if you can see it there. But that's just superficial. Nothing to write home about. And I'm selling it together with this strop, so it makes a really nice set for somebody. Or even me. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. So, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you next week probably. Bye for now.